Okay. So ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ട്രിപ്പ് എങ്ങോട്ടാ പോകുന്നത്? ഹോഴ്സ് ആണോ അതോ ഡോങ്കി ആണോ? ഹോഴ്സാ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. എന്നാ ഹോഴ്സിനെ കാണാൻ പോ. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗെറ്റ് റെഡി.
They're talking to each other.
അവന്റെ നോട്ട് അത്രയും ശരിയല്ലല്ലേ? അവനെല്ലാം ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. കാട് പോയി രക്ഷയില്ല കേട്ടോ.
It's a pretty one. Well, when the sun's out, give it a go. And you pop it. I think there will be a 52. Is it nice? Can you just do this at the front for me so I can double check? Not saying you're a liar. No, it does. It's not. That's the one. So you got a posh one like her.
Before you guys start, there's a few rules that we have to go through. So when you're brushing the crane, you're going to brush about the neck down to the end of their stomach. And if you'd like to go on the other side, make sure to do a nice big circle around the bottom, just in case they keep out your nice and like away. They've never have, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Feel free to switch your brushes at any time, and you may start grooming. Down. This is called the main, and this is called the forelock. 3 different names for
What's that on his eyes there?
this. Oh, that's mud. That's the eye, and that's some mud. And this is the ears. So ear, eye, nose, mouth.
What's that he's wearing?
Where? This is the
Rainbow.
yeah. This is called a head collar.
What color?
Yeah. So a head collar is what you use to tie up horses with, or when you want to put them out in the paddock or the field, you put that on them so they don't run away. So they're by your side the whole time. It's like you put one.
He's opening his eyes.
Yeah.
He's happy now.
He is. He really likes it. He's falling asleep. He finds it nice and relaxing. Huh? They're like, they know that the carrots are coming soon. The closer, the more. As well. So when we feed Russell, we're gonna have a nice flat hand. Will you show me? Nice flat hand. With all fingers stuck together, including the thumb. So like that. You're gonna put the carrot at the center of your palm and put it gently under his mouth, and he's gonna grab it with his lips. So you don't have to worry that he's gonna bite you. Okay? So here you go. Fingers stuck together. Nice flat hand.
Flat hands.
Good job! Awesome! And now you have to wait till he finishes eating, and then we can give him the second one. So you have to tell me when he stops eating. Please stop.
He's not born at all.
Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah? Now he's finished? Yes? Awesome. Good job.
മടക്കല്ലേ?
Flat hand. Good job. Awesome.
But he not hurt me.
Yes, he takes it with his lip. He doesn't take it with his teeth.
He not have some teeth.
He has teeth, but his lips are very thick, so they're very in front of the teeth, so he grabs with his lips, so it's easier. Right, is he finished?
I like your boobs. She's a bit crunchy, aren't they? Sitting up tall.
Would you take Anne? And then Amelia will take the second half of that. I always do the rides all at the same time. going to hold on to this little handle.
Both hands here. Hold on to the hose. And
That's
swing
it,
one leg
big step.
over.
Over.
Well done. And take a seat.
Thank you.
Go on.
Your pony's name? Begins with A for Liz. And he has a brother here called Deck. And that's Deck. So they're anti-Deck. Like 50 to 11.
Daddy, it's actually a sand like this.
Yeah, baby carrot. That's where the
Yeah, going to right. Is this the right side? Yeah. I'm going to right. Daddy. Here.
Is he 2 years old?
Yeah.
He's 18.
Dad, keep walking.
Yeah, I love him. Yes, definitely.
Mom.
Oh,
Dad, I don't get one.